Upgrading your router or editing its Wi-Fi credentials can disrupt your ability to view your Wi-Fi camera feeds on the website or mobile app. Follow these steps to reconnect your cameras to the new network. To begin, locate the WPS button on your router. Next, locate the WPS button on your video camera. Press and hold the camera's WPS button until you see a flashing blue light, which takes about 3 seconds. Release the button. Next, press and hold the WPS button on the router for 6 seconds to initiate pairing. Once the camera's LED is solid green, attempt to view the live video feed on the website or mobile app and verify its functions properly. If using WPS mode fails, try AP mode or using an Ethernet cable. Learn more today at guardianprotection.com.